Hey there, what's up? I hope you're doing really good today. I was able to get my hands on the best Apple AirPods 2 clone. These actually come with wireless charging as well. And the good thing about these is that when you flip them open, they'll show up on the software on your iPhone just like the actual AirPods. All right, so let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so after testing various different Apple AirPod clones, I ran across these just a few days ago, and these are the most identical AirPods that I have come across so far to the actual Apple AirPods. These are super similar, they're the same size. You know, you wouldn't be able to tell that they are not the real ones unless if you look really close for the actual serial number and model numbers, which are on each of the AirPods and on the charging case as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and open them up, and we're gonna go ahead and test them out and review them completely so that I can tell you how close they are to the actual AirPods and if there are any differences and functions from these clones to the actual AirPods. All right, so let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. So as you can see, the box here, it just shows the AirPods here on the front, similar to the actual AirPods box. And here on the back, you're gonna see the AirPods with the charging case and a cable down here. And then here it just has some wording, made in China. So it doesn't have the AirPods logo or the Apple logo on the sides of the box. That's actually a good thing so that they are not infringing on Apple's copyrights for their logo and name. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so here it does have the same message that it comes on all Apple products, designed by Apple in California. This looks very similar to the one that actually comes with the AirPods, the manual that it comes with. Let's go ahead and check out the AirPods. So here it is, check this out. It looks so similar to the actual AirPods. It even has the little dot right here in the middle to let you know that it is charging when it's on the wireless charger. And then down here, it also comes with your standard Lightning USB cable. Not sure if this is a original Apple cable, but assuming that this is not original, I wouldn't think so. Even the plastic sticker that is on the actual AirPods case is similar to the Apple one. Looks like they're trying to make it as identical as possible. And here it is. So here on the back, it does say designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It has the little hinge, the metal hinge right here. It has the little button right here to connect. It charges with a Lightning cable connector. Oh, just like the Apple AirPods. It has the little dot right here in the middle to show you when it's charging and to give you the different signals to when the battery's draining. When you open it, it lights up. The only thing I can already feel just by opening and closing is that the hinge does feel a little bit different. Obviously not the same hinge that Apple uses. It does feel a little bit lighter, has a more plasticky feel to it. All right, let's go ahead and get the actual AirPods and put them side by side. So these are real AirPods. These are the first gen, but they are the same size. As you can see here, same width. The real ones do feel heavier though. Like I said, this one has a more plasticky feel to it. But if I do like this real quick and show you the back, you probably won't be able to tell which one is which. And actually, yeah, because this is a copy of the second gen AirPods. So it has the connect button a little bit towards the center, while the first gen AirPods have the button a little bit towards the bottom. It even has a serial number and just some basic information inside the AirPods case, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and take them out. Go ahead and remove this one. And let's go ahead and remove the left one from this one. So take a look at those two AirPods. They are completely identical. Same size. Everything is in the same place pretty much. Let's see down here where the magnet is supposed to be. So on the clones, this is the clone right here. You can actually tell that the bottom part is a little bit bigger. It's a little bit wider than the original ones. And it's also more circular, while the original ones are a little bit more round. And check this out. The original ones have some writing on them. Right here, it has the serial number. It's very hard to see it here on the camera. But the clones also have some writing here as well. I mean, you can obviously tell the difference, that it's not the same writing from Apple, but they did try and and make it look more legit by writing the serial number, or the fake serial number, shall I say, right here on the AirPod as well. All right, so here we have both the clone AirPods right here on the left and the real AirPods on the right. So we're gonna go ahead and compare them. I'm gonna place them on and compare the sound quality quality, see how high the volume goes, and also test the functionality of the clone AirPods to see if it performs the same functions like the real one. All right, so here I have my iPhone. Let's go ahead and see what happens here when we just flip up the tab here. Wow, look at that. So it actually gives us this message here to connect. So it does read these AirPods. Close it up and try it again. That hinge is a little bit strong back here, so it is a little bit more difficult to open than the original AirPods. So we do get this message again. So let's go ahead and hit connect. Tells us to touch the button back here of the AirPods. So let's go ahead and press it. Okay, so I'm holding the button. I'm guessing that this has to stay open. So let's leave it open and press the button. And there we go, it's connecting. And look at that. So it says 100% battery for the AirPods and the charging case 87%. So pretty sweet, let's close it up. And as soon as we close it, the message closes as well. Let's open it up to see the speed of it, the iPhone reading them. So it does take a little bit long. Let's see, with the original AirPods. So I have the original AirPods here. Go ahead and open it up.
All right.
And I do feel that it reads the original AirPods way faster. Okay, so those are the original ones. Let's try with the copies. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool that it reads it and all, like AirPods, but it does take a lot longer. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out now. So I'm gonna place the clone AirPods in first, and I'm gonna play some music to max volume. I'm gonna put it right there close to the microphone on the camera so that you guys can hear how loud the clone AirPods go, and then we'll compare them with the real ones. So let's go ahead and play some music. There you go, max volume. So there you go, they're actually about an inch away from the microphone on the camera. So it's actually playing a no copyright sound there. It's called fade. Let me know in the comments down below which ones you think are louder. These clone ones, which you're listening to right now, or the real ones, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna get the real ones now. Let's go ahead and connect them. I think they are already connected, sweet. So let's play the music, put the volume all the way up. And there you go, listen to this. So these are the real AirPods. It's about an inch away from the microphone once again. So there you go. Let me know in the comments down below which ones you think is louder. From my opinion, the real AirPods do sound just a little bit clearer and sharper, but the clone AirPods do sound very good for being clone AirPods. And as far as how high the volume goes, I would say that they're pretty much the same. They both go pretty much the same volume, I would say. If anything, maybe I'm leaning a little bit more towards the clone AirPods. I think the volume on these go a little bit higher than the real AirPods. All right, so let's go ahead and test the functionality of the clone AirPods. And I already hear it. It makes a little beeping noise when it connects. So it already connected. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. So here I have the left clone AirPod and here the right one. Let's see what happens when you double tap on the right one. So when you double tap on the right one, it automatically starts playing music from your music library. Or if you had a music app open like Pandora or an app like that, it will automatically go ahead and open that app and start playing music. When you double tap it, what it will do is it will just pause the song. And then when you double tap it again, it will continue playing the song. So let's see what happens if you just tap it once. See, I'm gonna play the music. So right now it's playing a song. If I tap it once, if you tap it once, it doesn't do anything. Let's see if we tap it 3 times. So if we tap it 3 times, it will change tracks. So if I double tap it, it will pause. So now let's go ahead and test this side. This side, I believe, if you double tap it, it will open up Siri. Let's go ahead and try it out. So the left clone AirPod, let's double tap it. And as you can see, I hear the little noise. It opened up Siri and she is reading what I am saying. So Siri does work on the clone AirPods by double tapping the left one. Let's see what happens if I triple tap the left one. Triple tapping on the left one while playing a song will just repeat the song from the beginning of the track. And then if you triple tap on this one, on the right one, it changes tracks. All right, everyone. So that is the unboxing and review of the clone AirPods. In my opinion, they are excellent quality for being clones. They are not the real deal, but they are of very, very high quality. Now, I'm not sure how much you can actually get these for. You would have to just do some research online. But from what you can see from this video, they are just identical. They are same size. They look exactly the same. They perform almost the same functions. Now, obviously, they are going to be missing some of the functions. But for being clone AirPods, they are of very high quality. They have wireless charging if you It also has a very long-lasting battery, so you won't need to recharge these for a while because it has the charging case. So you just drop them in there and they will automatically recharge just like the real AirPods. So in my opinion, it's a very high quality clone since they're almost identical. So that's it, everyone. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these clone AirPods, if you're thinking about getting one. And that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.